Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious fermented red bean curd fried chicken wings over here. Check that out. Check that out. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Okay, before I show you guys this recipe, let me just taste some of this chicken wing for you. Let's grab a piece here. Let's check that out. Wow, look at that. Let's take a bite. Super crispy. Guys, also, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, let's marinate the chicken wings. Over here there's 10 to 12 chicken wings. So first I added in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger. I sprinkled some salt and white pepper. Just need to give it a quick sprinkle. Then I added in 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and then I mixed it for 1 to 2 minutes before adding in my wet ingredients. So over here I drizzled a little bit of oyster sauce. I also drizzled some light soya sauce and drizzled some sesame oil. Now this is fermented red bean curd over here. I added in 1 cube of that deliciousness, and also a few teaspoons of its delicious sauce. Now I'm just going to mix this up for 1 to 2 minutes again. Look at that fermented red bean curd, it gives it that red color. Nice. Afterwards I added in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to fuse the flavor into the chicken wings, and gave it a good mix again. Now over here I'm preparing a little batter that I'll add to the marinade. So here I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I gave it a good whisk. Then I cracked in 1 egg and just drizzled just a little bit of water to create a little batter. Make sure the batter is thick. So I'm mixing it up and it became like a sticky gooey batter before I added into my chicken wings over here. So you add in the batter and you just mix this up nicely, and then you'll just pop it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight before we coat these chicken wings. Look at that red color. Okay, for the coating I'm just using all-purpose flour over here. We're just going to nicely coat the chicken wings. I was in a rush for dinner tonight, so I didn't really coat it fully, so I just gave it a little quick coating. That's why when we were deep frying, a lot of that crust fell off a little bit. But for you guys, make sure you coat the chicken wings nicely if you want that very delicious crunch. But anyways, even if you don't coat it nicely, it still came out very good. So over here I am using sunflower seed oil over here at medium heat. We're not going to fry these chicken wings twice, just 1 fry is enough. We're gonna fry it for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat level of the oil. Okay, so for the first 1 to 2 minutes we're not going to touch them, and afterwards we can just give it a quick flip until it gets that golden color. Once you get that perfect golden color, in the first 5 to 10 minutes it should be ready. Look at that. Very quick and easy, simple, delicious chicken wings you guys can make with this delicious fermented red bean curd flavor that you guys can try. Very yummy, guys. Have this for dinner. See you guys next time. Bye bye.